Hi guys, I flew all the way from London to come see Ces, and I'm going to cook for her, so I'm going to visit her in her house, and I bought the ingredients for Humba, you can see, and some chocolates and rice, and yeah, let's go see Ces and say hello.
Yes, what you're going to make for me?
Humba.
Oh, yay!
And some rice.
So it means I'm not going to do anything today?
No, you can put your feet up.
Okay.
I'm taking over the kitchen. Thank you for having me.
Okay, May, you come back to my kitchen.
So, put your feet up.
Thank you.
Your tea and a magazine.
Thank you. Is it in Dutch?
It should be in English.
Thank you very much for
Alright, you relax. I'm going to take over your kitchen. I'll see you in a bit.
Okay. Promise I'll be here. Stay good.
Okay. Hi everyone. Welcome to Ces Kitchen. I am taking over only for one night while I'm here in Amsterdam, Netherlands. So, I am making you some humba. It's similar to adobo. Don't worry if you don't know what adobo is. Ces will link it down below. So, humba is pork belly or shoulder, marinated overnight or for 2 hours with some soy sauce and more herbs. It's slightly different because it's sweeter than adobos, but one thing for sure, you will definitely enjoy it. So let's start. What's the ingredients? So we have pork shoulder here. You can use belly too, and we chopped it. We have some bay leaves, star anise, sugar, some onions, garlic, oil, some water, soy sauce, and some vinegar. So this time we're using a spice vinegar, but you can use any vinegar that you might have at home. So that's not a problem. You need a pot. So I'm going to marinate it in here, and a wooden spoon to stir it later on. So yeah, let's start cooking. First thing we need to do is add the pork into your pot. So just use your hands, nothing wrong with that, to make sure it's clean. And then you add your salt, your star anise, bay leaves, onions, then your garlic, some oil so that it doesn't stick on the pot when you cook it later on, soy sauce, 250 ml of soy sauce. I like putting a lot of soy sauce because I like sabao, that means the sauce for the meat. And then you add some vinegar. And lastly, your water. And then mix it a little bit. So this is a very, very easy recipe. You know, it's like a one-pot recipe. You can, help your children with their homework, or do a bit of house chores while you marinate it. And then, after you marinate it for, if you have time, overnight or 2 hours, an hour, 30 minutes, put it in your hob, and then maybe cook it for about 45 minutes, an hour, depending on how much you're making, and that's it. Make sure you have rice and it's ready. So let's put the lid. I'm going to leave this to marinate for about an hour. So now we are ready to cook our humba. So this should cook for about 45 minutes, bring it to boil first, and then once it's boiled, turn it down to simmer until it's tender. Mix it every now and then so it doesn't stick at the bottom. And that should be ready. And then I'm going to make some rice also to go with the humba, and some vegetables. Thank you so much for Asian food lovers for providing the ingredients for tonight's dinner. Do follow them, and on their social media. Ces will put the links at the bottom. So yeah, so now our humba is boiling. I'm going to turn down the heat to low to simmer it, and then we'll mix. Oh, I can smell the star anise and the bay leaves and the garlic all sort of getting together and marinating and boiling. Oh, God, I'm telling you, this smells great. You know what? Sometimes I actually surprise myself when I taste my food, and I'm not blowing my own horn here. God, who cooks this? Hopefully, Ces and her family will enjoy it too. Okay guys, so I think our humba is ready now. I'm going to serve it in this bowl and garnish it, and I'm sure they would love it. I made some rice earlier, so we're all good to go. Adding a bit of garnish. Hi Ces, the food is ready. Or humba. Oh, we ate loads, me and
Really?
We had second helping.
Really? I think I'm missing suka and sili. Yeah, I like suka and sili.
I love it. Actually, it's quite nice with the spiced vinegar, no?
That's good. I like it.